Hi, I'm going to show you today how you can automate your processes for when you take meeting notes with equal time and you want to send it automatically to your CRM or your chat tool like Slack or your intranet or your issue tracker like Jira. So this is all possible through our webhook integration and by using Zapier or another tool that is similar to that. So this really opens up the whole world of time saving. So you never will have to update your CRM again. Or if you have a routine practice of pasting your notes into any other tool, you don't have to worry about that anymore. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing to do is going to be go to Zapier. And I've already done this, but I have used their Copilot feature to create a new Zap. So I said, take my meeting notes, which are generated using equal time, made available to Zapier by webhook, and send them into HubSpot. That's the CRM that we're using. Attach it to the lead, the person object, and make the participant's email match the participant's email address. So it will then just automatically make a Zap for you. You don't have to mess around and create this manually, although you can do that as well. Then what you'll need to do is it's connecting your equal time webhook to HubSpot. So you'll need to come over here to the webhook URL and you will copy this. So that's a custom URL just for this Zap. So you will copy that. Then you'll come over to your equal time account and go to your account settings page, which is available over here. You can click on that. And then you're going to click on webhook integration. And in this URL field, you're going to paste the URL that we just got. And then if you want every single meeting to go through this process, you should click automatically post meeting data to webhook after each meeting. So it will happen every single time. That's it. And then you're going to go back to Zapier and you're going to finish this Zap. So you'll go through, you'll make sure your HubSpot is connected, the account is correct, go make sure that everything is working correctly on this side. And you can test it as well. I suggest doing a test meeting and just make sure that the data is flowing in as you would expect. And then you'll be good to go. And then after that, you'll never have to update your CRM again. So equal time enables all the integrations that are available through Zapier. And we're happy to be saving you that much time. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Our team is really happy to answer your questions. That's hello@equaltime.io. Thank you very much.